doing? Wait until now to merge over to the right to exit. No one knows how to drive in Rochester. I just came to that conclusion just 2 minutes ago. Oh, exit dive up there. That was a bad one.
Politico put out a headline on a district caption saying, next question, Harris evades questions about her identity.
Evades?
To be together forever with you. You didn't stop, oh well. You get to be in the video. No stop behind me. No stop. Sending out an SOS. Sending out a red light run. Red light runner. Red light runner. No stop. What the you can't figure out how to frickin' pull. What? You don't know how driveways work. For the one you serve, you're going to get what's time for the right turn. Red light run, red light run, red light run. No stop, fancy Nissan. And regular Nissan. Seriously, you're gonna sit in the middle of the intersection like a moron? You're a fucking moron. That was time for a right turn. That was right turn lane dive behind me. What the fuck are you doing? Nope. Let's cut off. Yeah, the whole sequence up there was weird. Exit dive, exit regret, nice cutoff, everyone sucks. That guy is turning left from the incorrect lane. Moron. Fuck me. What are you doing on the sidewalk? What the hell is that? Now you ain't gonna be able to turn right away. And it's still red. No turn on red. Wait, that was red light up there. That motorcycle guy went through. Nice cut off.
Let Morocco by.
Wait, what the hell is that over there?
He's got this issue with crowd sizes.
Oh, yeah.
Over the line! Really? Yeah, shake it off and back up. It says do not enter to go into there. Just so you know. But you're going to go in there anyways. Because I was nice to you. Yeah. And that's a dive for the left, for the right turn lane up there as well. And these people are morons. Red light run. Yeah, both. Hey, what? Hey, what the hell? Yeah, both. Hey, what? Hey, what the hell? I'm sorry. I just want. Jeez. Really? Dive for the right turn lane. And we got yet another person dive for the right turn lane. They can't plan for shit. They don't know their turns are coming up. Red light run. What was that guy doing over there? You know, it's just stupid.
Somebody had to make that decision on the internet.
Wait, why are you going? It's still red.
How sure he's gonna get.
Seriously.
Drive.
Yeah, that guy went out through an entrance.
The Canandaigua Zoo.
What the fuck are you doing? You don't need to take a turn that wide. You don't need to take a turn that wide.
You're learning stuff like that. We're all learning.